guys, I got a quick little short video here for you. Not by me. My wife decided to do an unboxing of her new Synergy mids that came in today. She's got 8/8. Gonna do 4 per door. So, yeah, we're gonna let her take over. I hope you enjoy the video. It's just a short little unboxing video.
Jerry does all the unboxing, but hey, today it's for me. Synergy Audio. Ooh, what do we got here? Woo-woo. Oh, it's the new 8s for my doors. Yay! All right, let's check one of these bad boys out. There are 8 of them in here. Look at that, look at that.